Oh, Mr. Moore. Hey.
Is that rain? Don't you have to put it like that?
It's coming down pretty good.
Son of a bitch. Damn. That's actual rain. That's fucking cool. That's better than this crap this morning that was just enough to piss off the lawn.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, that's right. That's right. Now it's coming back.
Fucking in there.
Yeah, now it's showing it. There we go. That's right. Goes out there.
Wow.
I know that number right there. I gotta rename these, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, Lord, hell no. No, hang on. Let's open it up, make sure it's... Where's my bike?
It's just stuck on the ground so you don't get a warning.
That's Doc.
Cloud to cloud doesn't bother you.
Doc, wait a minute. Whoa, wait a minute. That one there's dead. I need to accept that, right?
Stop it. Take an hour to look at YouTube.
Yes. That's it. Yeah, that's Dan. Good deal. All right. No.
Hey,
Hang on, I need to see which one all these are mine. I gotta say I'd probably
Talk
want
to
to
somebody, but I may have to adjust something on that estimate as far as that 8 inches of lime and cement preparation for stabilization. You know, we went off planned quantities, but they're telling me, other inspectors are telling me that that number has to match the tonnage of lime. But when you figure up the tonnage of lime, it comes out to a little bit about 300 square yards less. Now that's not going to work with cement, though. Because we added some stabilization lime. But we paid for that we paid for that on the pound per square yard. I think, let me find out first. But there's.
Anyway, he's out doing free videos for free
42 online now.
walking out in this kind of woods
Yeah,
field
so
area.
it would be.
And then, you know, it's got a little lanyard, the camera, it's got a little lanyard.
Right. So we're not actually. So whatever the line comes out to, we'll probably have to use that number because we paid for the extra.
Pretty close to James and
Let me
them?
find out first before.
That's not too far from Crowley, is it?
Yeah,
I'll see if they'll. It's not flying.
No, Crowley's the other side of 35.
Oh, yeah.
But I'll And also, when we were measuring driveways, I guess when I was inputting
Was
those
Crowley,
numbers
Everman,
today,
Burleson,
and
that order?
I guess
I
we
just
gotta
think,
figure
you
out
know,
the
being off of the
radiuses too,
11 to
because
7, you know.
All right, I guess.
I'd let
It's
him
enough.
go from 5 to 2.5.